Hey guys, I just want to show you my van. I decided to do the motocross thing again this year. Lucas Oil Pro Motocross Track Crew. Here's what we got in the back. Here's the living quarters. Right over here to the right is the kitchen area. Up there we got some cabinetry for the hygienics, plastics, coffee filters, food items, deodorant, multi-purpose cabinetry. Moving over to this section, to the bedroom. Got my whole bed here. Right here's a homemade hot water heater. You turn the propane on, you hit the little burner under here with a lighter. It comes on. We're moving over to the other end of the bathroom, the shower. And here we got a nozzle, we got a floor base. Let's see if I can make some room to get a pan on this shower. Got some Stepdad sponsored roofing rubber down there to make it all nice and watertight. I just took a shower in here about 15 minutes ago. A little bit of storage area up here, random stuff. Extra sleeping bags coming back. Insulated ceilings, a little bit of duct tape. Hauling my bike. This FMF banner thing here that my hand is on is a bunk. It'll fold out. It'll swing up and fold out. Put two legs under in case anybody stays. Coming in this end of the van, I made a little round cut hole so you can get into the front. Right here is kind of trick. We got this air conditioner system. You can simply unhook it, swing it out, put the door down, and the unit will have air conditioning. Forgot to show you something. Coming back up in here, we got a water pump system set up so that you can have a shower go in here. Should be able to just turn that on. Shower starts going. Okay, coming back out. A little bit better view of the air conditioner door. Just swing that guy shut. Coffee maker's powered by race gas. Got a little spare generator out here powered by race gas. And that's about it. This is it for the summer. That's home. A little bit of a custom build. It took me about 2 weeks to do it, I guess. Only had the van for a little over a month. And right now we're in Sacramento, headed to the second round, which will be Paula down by San Diego. I'm about to take off. So here we go. See you later.